Today we're going to go over how to import and configure flashcard decks for PopCards. It's important to note that all flashcard decks using this app are imported via CSV or TSV files. You can't create a deck within the app. So what this means is you need to create decks using either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel or some other kind of open source alternative. Today we have an example of a traditional Chinese deck in Google Sheets. So this deck, the way that it's configured is we have English in column A, we have the translated Chinese in column B, we have the translated pinging in column C, and then we have a description in column D. We can have as many columns as we want or as few columns as we want. It doesn't matter if English or whatever translation's in the first one or the second one. The order doesn't matter as long as each row is a flashcard deck. So we have the hello, the translation of that, and anything else we want. So once we have that set up exactly how we want, we'll want to download this. So in Google Sheets, this is File, Download, and then we'll want to do .csv or .tsv. It's very similar in Microsoft Excel as well. Once you have that downloaded, we will go up here in the toolbar to the PopCards settings area. Hit settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page. Once you're at the bottom, you should see this PopCards deck area. And then we'll click the blue import spreadsheet button. So once we import the spreadsheet, we're going to be shown a smart column mapping screen. So what this allows us to do is determine what column we want on the front and on the back side, and then we can also adjust the styling for this. So I'll show you how that's done. First, I'm just going to delete what it's giving us now. I'm going to click on the column I want on the left-hand side right here. So I'm going to click the Chinese. I'm going to add this on the front side. I can go ahead and click on this to style it. So let's say I want this in blue, and I want the text really big and bold. And then what I'm also going to do for this, because this is the Chinese one, is I'm going to enable speech for this column. I'm going to select this toggle here. I'm going to select the language to be Chinese traditional, and I'll select the voice. So we can give that a test here.
Sample text from 你好.
Perfect. So that's working good. I'll hit Save Style. And then I'm going to add the pinging right below that. So I'm going to add this to the front as well. I'm also going to click on that. And I want the pinging to be, let's just say dark gray and light and underlined. And I'm not going to enable any kind of speech settings for this. So I'll hit Save Style on that one. And then on the back side of this, what I want is the English in the description. So I'm going to hit English here. I'm going to add to the back side. I'm going to make this also very big. And let's just say black and italicized. And I'll hit save, and then I'll put the description also below that, make it smaller and dark gray, and then save that. Now, once we have this all configured, we'll just go ahead and hit import deck here. As you can see, the imported deck is now on our list. Make sure that it's chosen as the active deck here, and you're ready to go. If you ever want to restyle or re-import this deck with new terms, you can just go hit re-import here or scroll up and then hit edit styling. So that's it.